6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends.
Alam ko na masaya ka sa araw na to. Sana maging masaya ka at maging happy ang iyong pagpasok sa panibagong yugto ng buhay mo. Salamat.
Take me back to when
all that I hope for and everything I dream. And now I give you to the world, but one thing I'm keeping just for me. The world can never take my precious memories. Mahal naman kita, anak ko.
I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way.
Dear love, as you walk down the aisle later, gusto ko suot mo ito. Dahil sa kadahilanan na ikaw ang nire-represent ng regalo kong ito. Your simplicity, beauty, and being so sophisticated. It shine in the stone. I love you every second of your life. You're forever kakampi.
So lonely.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. Cause you'll be in my heart.
Nung una kitang makita,
Yes, you'll
hindi ako naniniwala sa love at first sight. Pero parang isang pelikula na bigla na lang bumagal ang eksena. Na iyong lakad at nakita ko ang iyong magandang muka at maputi mong kutis.
no matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart. Always.
Ako pa?
Eto, para kay B-boy.
They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart.
Tinatanggap mo ba si Marjorie na maging kabiyak upang mabuhay ng magkasama ayon sa banal na alituntunin ng kasal?
Oo, aking gagawin.
Marjorie, tinatanggap mo ba si John Michael na maging kabiyak upang mabuhay na magkasama ayon sa banal na alituntunin ng kasal?
Opo, aking gagawin.
They'll sing time.
To the man I prayed for. Always remember that I am deeply grateful that God gave me you as my partner. I never prayed for someone perfect. I just asked someone who would choose to love me in all season. And God gave me you.
Show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart.
Pugi oh. Wow, ganda chatay.
Happy birthday, Tito Boboy. I love you.
Oh. You will always have my time because you are now my priority. Let's just enjoy this day at sabay tayong magpahinga ng magkasama. Thank you very much and sa gift na to, and this will always remind me about the time you've given me, and always you're always gonna have my time also. I promise to be your loving husband and be your home all the time. I will never leave you nor forsake you.
Love, sobrang thankful ako kung paano mo ko nilaban. Kung paano mo tayo nilaban. Dahil doon hanggang dulo, ikaw lang ang tahanan na gusto kong uwian. No matter how hard life gets, mahal kita.